with honors. GSP awardee, Yes-O awardee, AMET qualifier, DSPC column editorial writer, 2nd place, ng Galaw Pilipinas, 2nd place. Marasigan Mark Vincent B. with honors, Batang Makakalikasan. Matanggihan, Rian Daniel D. with honors, AMET qualifier. Mendoza Isaiah E. with honors, AMET qualifier. Mercado Arlan Janelle T. with honors, Journalist of the Year.